Alright guys, this is the error that you get, right? X86 was not found, okay? And I'm, just so you can know, I am using version 2020.3.4 F1. So as you can see, just get an error after error after error after error. Okay? So, looking over and over and over again, I couldn't find it. Couldn't figure it out. Deleted this, deleted that, updated. So as you know, I'm updated to the latest version. So here's how you do it. Okay, just so you can check. Going up, up, up. All right. It's a very easy fix. Go to assets. Nope. Wait. No, I'm sorry. Where are you at? Yeah, you do go to assets. Then you go down to player service resolver. Okay. Then you're going to go to here, Android resolver. Now you figure, well, maybe if I go into the settings, maybe if I go into the resolver, what could it be? Nope. All you simply have to do is delete. Okay. Look. It stopped. Wow. So anyways, the X86 is obsolete. It's obsolete, so it's no longer being required. So you have to remove it regardless. But you fight it however you fight it. You don't need it anymore. So you go hit clear. It's gone. So that's all you got to do. Now I recreated it just so you can see. I had recreated it so you can see, and then, you know, that was the problem all along. Did all that searching, and I finally found it. But here, watch this. You go to settings, restore defaults, hit OK. And there it goes. Comes back. Okay, so once again, assets, player service resolver, Android resolver, delete resolver libraries. Bam, it stops. Clear, all gone. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out. I know I spent days and days trying anything I could, and finally figured it out. Didn't have to upload this, upload that, didn't have to delete this, delete that. Just a simple setting that the new Unity version has made it. I don't know if it's in the other version. I haven't tested it out. I just know that it works on the latest one. Hopefully this helps you out. And if you want, hey, this is my game, Top Wars. I haven't uploaded the new version, but go download it. It's free. Have a good one. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this stuff, subscribe and leave a comment below. Talk to you later. Bye.